In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to open an Afterpay account. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are two major ways of opening your Afterpay account. The first one is to simply buy an item using Afterpay. The first time you go through checkout using Afterpay, you are going to get the usual prompt to sign up. In this video, I'm going to show you the alternative method, that is to sign up through the Afterpay site itself. So on a computer using a web browser or your phone in a web browser, you can go to afterpay.com. In here, make sure that the location is set properly. So scroll all the way down and choose the appropriate location. For example, I'm going to change it to the United States. With Afterpay on the proper region, you can click on the sign up button at the top right corner of the website. You will be immediately redirected and you are going to be prompted to include an email address. As you can see, after you include the email address, you're going to have to include your phone number. It's going to be verified, so make sure you link a valid phone number. As you can see, you are also going to be prompted to include your full name, date of birth, and address. As long as you include all this information and everything is valid and legitimate, you are going to be able to fully sign up for Afterpay. Afterwards, download the mobile app on your phone or browse through the stores in here at the website. As long as you have an account fully registered, you are going to be able to use the features of Afterpay during checkout. I hope I was able to help you on how to open an Afterpay account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.